All right, YouTube peeps, welcome. We are on Q3-5. We are looking at Wednesday's homework. We are going to find the difference here using the break apart strategy. We're going to look at the total area, name the shape, and we got a couple fractions problems here. Okay, 800 minus 378. Let's do the break apart strategy. We haven't done that in a while. So 800. Okay, so there's an 8 in the hundreds place. There's a 0 in the tens place. And there is a 0 in the ones place. So 800 looks like that when you break it apart. The next number is 378. 378. Feels like we haven't done this strategy in a while. Okay, can't take away 8 cars from somebody that has nothing, right? This person wants 8 cars. He can't give him anything. So we have to look to the neighbor. Uh-oh. The neighbor wants 70 cars, but he doesn't have any either that he can give him. So you got to go all the way to this neighbor. He wants 300 cars. Can he give it to him? Yes. Okay, so he's got some to spare. We're going to move 100 over. Okay, you can take 70 from 100 now. You can take 300 from 700, but this person still has an issue. So we're going to borrow 10 now. And it looks like we are good. We regrouped and borrowed all the way across. 8 from 10 is 2. 70 from 90 is 20. 300 from 700 is 400. Final answer, 422. That is a good review of the break apart strategy or place value strategy. Okay, let's see. Find the total area. You're going to want to break this apart. I will do it right there. Why not? Okay, you can use your hand to see the difference. Let's see. That looks like a 5 by 1. You're just multiplying the two numbers. The other shape, we have 6, 7, and 5. Which two numbers do we need? We don't want the 6 because that includes the whole side. And all we want is this piece. So we have to look to the other side of the shape. We see a 5. 7 times 5, 35. Once you find the area of the two simple shapes, add them together. 40 inches squared. Okay, name the shape. It looks like this side and this side are the same length. Okay, if this side and this side are the same length, this is called a isosceles. Ooh, it's a new term for us. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two sides that are the same. Grace has 6 crayons. She broke 3. What fraction of her crayons are broken? She broke 3 out of 6. Okay, but it does say use the number line to solve. Okay, so we need to use the number line that's an even number so we can cut it in half. And then we need 3 on each side. That does not mean we're making 3 lines on each side. You just want 3 gaps. Okay, so 0 out of 6 is the start. Then we have 1/6, 2/6. 3 out of 6 is the same thing as half. 4 out of 6. 5 out of 6. And 1 whole would be 6 out of 6. She broke 3. 1 out of 6. 2 out of 6. 3 out of 6. So if your number line doesn't look like that, you need to make some modifications. Color in the fraction bar to make 3 equivalent fractions. Okay, if I color in 1 out of 2, what if I color in half of this one? That's 2/4. And what if I color in half of this shape's parts? That is 4 out of 8. So you can see they're all equivalent. Look at my pencil. Is that all the same amount of pizza? Yes. The only difference is you're adding cuts. The more people that are at the party, the smaller the pieces. Right? So 4/8, 2 out of 4, and 1 out of 2 are all the same. They're all half. All right? Hopefully that helps you with 3-5 homework for Wednesday.